It has been an intense year of campaigning, and if you Cymru launched our manifesto last summer, and in particular, the last 7 days in the lead up to this election have been quite electrifying, but we now have a new Welsh government in the Senedd in Cardiff Bay.
Ie wir, llongyfarchiadau mawr i Blaid Cymru. Wrth gwrs, llongyfarchiadau mawr i'r ddyn a Biorwedd, ein prif weinidog newydd, ac hefyd llongyfarchiadau mawr yn Lle Griffith, y gweinidog newydd, fyddwn ni yn ymwneud â fo yn y byd amaeth Cymraeg.
In particular, we are really looking forward to working with Lle Griffith. We've had a long relationship with him when he was in his former role as a shadow minister with Plaid Cymru. We've had an opportunity over that time to talk to them about many issues that are pertinent to Welsh farming, whether that's TB, water quality, sustainable farming scheme. There are so many issues out there that we are now looking forward to really getting down and having a proper conversation about what we can do to build on this.
Mae yna llawer iawn o wynebau newydd yn y Senedd rwan, a da ni'n edrych ymlaen fawr iawn i weithio efo Paul, a draws bob un blaid. Da ni hefyd yn ddiolchgar iawn i rheini na gafodd ddim ei ffwlc yma, a da ni'n diolch iddyn nhw am y gwaith maen nhw wedi gwneud yn ystod y Senedd Bwytha.
So now it's game on. We have got so much ambition, and there is a huge amount of potential within Welsh agriculture to truly deliver for farming, for rural communities, for the communities throughout Wales. We're really pleased to see that many of our ambitions with our own manifesto, whether that's around the multi-annual funding, food strategy, building on that sustainable farming scheme, talking about these really difficult issues around TB, water quality, making sure that we can truly deliver for communities. Great to see that this is mirrored within the Plaid Cymru manifesto as well. There's a brilliant opportunity here to build on these conversations, to work both with Lle Griffith, also members throughout the Senedd, from all parties, and really deliver for the benefit of Wales.
Ie wir, a da ni yn edrych yn fawr iawn at gyfarfod gyda weinidog newydd i'n gyntaf y fedrwn ni mwyn cario ymlaen efo'r gwaith sydd angen i ni wneud.